Okay. Let's drive.
Yeah! Woohoo! This is amazing! Look! An eating, reading, skateboarding monkey! This jungle is awesome!
I'm not sure she should be doing all that at the same time.
Why not? What could go wrong?
Oh! Hi there! I'm Meg Monkey.
Hi, I'm Eddie, and this is Sophie.
Hi. Awesome! You guys want to come and play with me?
Yeah!
Hey, I know a great place! Oh, you're gonna love it! Follow me! Come on, hurry up!
Come on, Sophie.
But what about the car?
Don't worry, just leave it!
Come on, faster! Oh boy.
Wow! A national playground!
I think he means natural.
That too!
Come on, let's slide!
Don't you slide down a slide?
Nah, that's the way hippos do it. But we monkeys, we never follow the rules.
Me neither. I never follow the rules.
Maybe hippos have a reason for following the rules. Come on up, Eddie. There's room for two. Woo!
That looks like fun.
Woo! Woo! Come on up!
Whee!
Woohoo! See what I tell ya? This is the best,
Wait,
isn't it?
guys, that sign means only one person at a time is allowed on the swing.
It's okay. It won't hurt anything.
Whee! This is fun.
Oh, that was awesome.
Yeah, but this bird nest fell.
Oh, yeah. I didn't see that. Are the eggs okay?
Yeah, they're okay.
Okay, here we go.
So see? Swinging together didn't hurt anything.
I think it kinda did.
Oh, this big elephant makes the best drinking fountain in the whole jungle.
I guess that's why there's such a long line.
Lines are for elephants. Monkeys have better things to do than wait in line. Excuse me, pardon me, coming through. Excuse me, step aside.
Meg, you cut in line in front of that baby. Sorry, little guy.
You made him cry, Meg.
I did? Oops, sorry, but I was thirsty.
The rules of good manners say you should wait your turn.
But you don't like rules, right?
Who's there?
Interrupting cow.
Interrupting cow who?
Ah!
Moo!
Hey, that was my line.
Settle down, dear. I'm sorry. My little Catherine's still a baby. She doesn't always know how to control herself yet.
Oops. Sorry, Mama.
Oh, she has so much energy. It makes it hard to get any work done.
We'd be happy to help you stack the hay bales.
And I could take Catherine outside and keep her busy.
Oh, that would be wonderful. Now, where is my cowbell? I need it to call everyone in for lunch soon.
Me hide it, Mama.
Catherine, my cowbell is not a toy. Where did you hide it?
I forgot it. Sorry, Mama.
Don't worry. I'll help her look for it.
Moo!
Good luck, and thank you.
Okay, Catherine. Think. Where did you hide the cowbell?
Chickens! Run, run, run! Chickens, chickens!
No, Catherine.
No funny?
They don't really like it when you chase them around. Why don't you feed them some chicken food instead? They would definitely like that.
Okay, happy chickens! Happy, 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 happy!
Gentle, Catherine. Gentle. Now I do know why the chickens crossed the road. To get away from Catherine.
Piggies, piggies! We go see piggies!
No, Catherine. Wait. We're looking for the cowbell, remember?
Piggies funny!
They're not trying to be funny, Catherine. They're making that noise because they want apples, too.
Not being funny?
No, it's not nice to tease them. I know. Maybe we can make them because they're happy.
Happy piggies, happy piggies!
Yes, they like it when you do something nice for them. You know what? We should both try to stop and think about how what we do makes others feel.
Huh?
You gotta stop and think, then think again. What's funny to you may not be funny to them. So stop and think before you do, and don't just think about you. Be thoughtful of your friends. Friends have feelings too. Have fun, but in the end, make sure that they're having fun with you.
You gotta stop and think, then think again?
What's funny to you may not